You're still very close to these units here. It's still going to yellow here. And there's nothing here. And I've got goose pimples. Huh. Catherine, do you think there's anything about these?
But as I moved the cage closer to the bike, it was lighting up more.
Yes. And these are, they're just here.
Yeah.
There's not attached, nothing.
The place that these came from had a lot of spirits in them, and a couple of them are attached there.
Absolutely. Because there's
And-
nothing here electrical.
No. And
That's interesting, isn't it?
okay, so first of all, I'm getting an old lady,
Okay.
and she was different.
Okay.
And she had a husband, but he died. Is this a lady attached to these heaters? Please.
You got to see this, Simon. It's crazy.
Can you light up another light? If your lady that's come with these heaters, did they keep you warm at night?
We're not here to hurt you.
Do you miss your house?
If you do, take it up to another level. It's sustaining it. See, and that's the wild thing is it's continuous.